Tired of vanilla Minecraft? Let's build a Forge server together and dive into a world of endless possibilities with mods. First, head over to the official Minecraft Forge website and download the version of Forge that matches the Minecraft version you want to play. Make sure to grab the installer, not the source. Once downloaded, run the Forge installer in the installer window. Select Install Server. Choose a dedicated folder for your server files, like a new folder on your desktop named Server, and click OK. This will extract the necessary files. Now, navigate to your server folder. You'll see a few files, including a Minecraft server jar file and a Forge jar file. Double-click the Forge jar file to run it. This will generate more essential server files, including an EULA file. Open the EULA file with a text editor like Notepad. Change EULA equals false to EULA equals true to agree to the Minecraft EULA. Save and close the file. Run the Forge jar file again. This time, it will start the server, generating a mods folder. This is where you'll place all your mod files. Download your favorite mods from a reputable source and drag them into this folder. Next, open the server properties file with a text editor. Here, you can customize your server settings, such as the server port, maximum player count, and the message of the day that players see when they join. Make sure to save your changes. Finally, run the Forge jar file one last time to start your modded server. Give it some time to load all the mods. Once it's up and running, launch Minecraft with the same Forge version you installed, and connect to your server using localhost or your server's IP address.